Umbria, known as the Green Heart of Italy, it's well known for its medieval hill towns, dense forests, rolling hills and fascinating history. In this video we are going to share our experience of our visit to the beautiful town of Assisi. Although mostly famous for its connection with St. Francis and the Basilica, it's also a beautiful town in its own right. We really enjoyed visiting this town, and so would love to share our experience with you. Welcome to Assisi. A beautiful medieval city located in Umbria and built on a hill. And it's the birthplace of St. Francis, father of the Franciscan order. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of its historically significant buildings. In particular, the Basilica of St. Francis, the most famous and probably the most impressive attraction in Assisi. It's also literally the biggest thing in the area, so massive in fact, you can see it for miles around. Anywhere else in the world, it would be its own UNESCO World Heritage Site. But as it is, it's the jewel in Assisi's crown. The 13th century complex is comprised of two churches. The Gothic upper church, with its frescoes, and a lower church where the crypt of St. Francis is located, as well as beautiful artistic frescoes. We really enjoyed walking around the beautiful cobbled streets with the fascinating medieval architecture. Assisi is one of the best preserved medieval towns in the world. And you don't have to be religious to enjoy the beauty of this postcard perfect town. If you have been enjoying this video so far, we have many more interesting places we visited and would like to share them with you. Please have a look through, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Widely considered one of the best preserved medieval squares in all of Italy, the Piazza del Comune is the focal point of the town of Assisi. The piazza is the perfect place to sit back and relax. Constructed in the 1st century BC, during the time of Emperor Augustus, the Roman Temple of Minerva is one of the best preserved examples of classical architecture in all of Italy. This is a 3-layered fountain with a gentle trickle-down effect. The 3 lines stand guard around the lowest basin. They all have water spouts coming out of the mouths. Together they symbolise the 3 urban districts of Assisi. Perched on a hill and looking down on the town of Assisi is the Rocca Maggiore, the medieval fortress. Built in the 12th century, it was originally designed to protect the city and exert imperial control over the region. The fortress is known for its strategic position, offering panoramic views over Assisi and the surrounding Umbrian countryside. Its imposing walls, watchtowers and inner courtyards reflect its defensive purpose, but it also served as a residence for noble families. From the Rocca Maggiore we were able to see Perugia to the north, Assisi below, and the surrounding valleys beyond. And that brings our journey through the beautiful town of Assisi to a close. We hope you've enjoyed exploring its rich history, breathtaking views, and peaceful atmosphere as much as we did. So whether you're here for the history, the art, or just a little bit of quiet reflection, Assisi has something special for everyone. We really hope you like our videos. And please like and subscribe if you do.